Stop fighting supercomputers with bare hands. You can't beat the algorithm, guys. You know that smart money, everyone warns you about it? The invisible hand hunting your stop losses? Institutional traders? Smart money? That was me! For 20 years, that was me. When you study price action, you are trying to guess what the banks are doing. I don't guess, because I was the bank. I was the guy pressing the sell button while you were buying. Sat on the other side of the table. Now, I'm retired and I'm about to hand you our playbook. I am Kevin, retired institutional fund manager, and now I'm going to show you exactly how we took your money so you can finally earn it back. Welcome to Tradeiator. Let's dive in.
Hello guys and welcome back. Now today I will show you what am I talking about. This is a Tradeiator trade system. Now check the euro together and want to see something here. Let's find something here. Something important. Yes. Price get down. Price is making sideways and get ups. Price is making some moves. Okay, you can see the moves. Price get down. Price get ups. This is the 5-minute chart. Okay, this is the 5 minutes chart. Price is making lots of moves. Some sideways, some up, some down. So, we arrived to today. Now, can you see anything? And the million-dollar question: what will open, buy, or sell position? Why will I open position, guys? Can you see anything? Where can I buy? Where can I sell? How can I find the right area to buy or sell? It's interesting. Yes, there are lots of moves. But where will I start to buy or sell? Okay, guys, I will show you the magic now. This is our magic indicator. 20 years experience behind this. This is showing us all the supply demands and the interest areas. Okay, can you see this? There's nothing here, but algorithmic system gives us the right places. Okay. If you have this indicator, if you have it, you can find this area. Now let's go on. Create something. Create someone. Yes. How. Okay, guys. How can price touch here, and get down? How do I know this? Can you see this? Touching lots of times. There are lots of opportunities here. There are lots of setups here. You can take lots of setups. System gives you right areas. System says that this area is right. You can take a position here. Behind the the maths behind this algorithm is very scientific. Okay, can you see that? It's showing you as a sniper. It's showing you the sniper entries. Okay, now created another one, and it's working in there. Price is working in my box, and then touch it and get down. Okay, there are some rules to use this indicator. There are some rules about the put the TP and to put the stop losses. Okay, there are some rules, and the magic indicator is giving us the right areas. Guys, no one on the earth can know this. Only me. Only I know. Okay, no one can show you something like this. None of the traders can show you something like this. Another one, another one, another one. Can you see that price is touching? Price is touching and make an action. Okay, make some movements. It's incredible. Let's watch it. All these bugs are created by the algorithms. All these bugs are created by the algos and indicators giving this to us. Let's look at it. Look at it. Why did you touch the red box and get down? Oh, is this a magic, you know? You think that is this a magic? Again touch the red box and again get down. Okay, try to pass the red box, try to pass, no. Then again touch and get down. Look at here, guys, look at here. This is Tradeiator trade system. Oh man, this is going to make you rich, guys. This is going to make you rich. Just watch it. This is the 5 minutes time frame on the scalping, and we are only using, oh my god, can you see that? Can you see this? Can you see this? It's really perfect. Okay, what I'm saying, yes, this area created new box, created new green box, and the rules are saying that this area is the most important area, and touching the price, touching the red box and move up. Can you see that? It's a sniper entry. It's a sniper entry, guys. And created new green box. Why? Why is prices pushing that and getting down? How can this possible? Let's look this. Look at this. Look at this. It's perfect entry. System gives you perfect entries. Okay, it's 5 minutes time frame charts and it's scalping. Just scalping and make lots of money. Make lots of show you lots of setups here. Lose the green box and then little retest and then get down. Okay, it's incredible, guys. It's incredible. It's incredible, guys. It's incredible. Can you see this? Can you see that? Created new one. Check this. Created new one. Touch it and go up. Touch only one time and go up. It's free money. It's free money. Okay. How can I know the areas? All these indicators catch the right areas to open position. Okay, created new one. It's a sideways movements, and then sideways movements, then sniper entry. It gives you sniper entry again and again. It works all the areas. Euro, GBP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's not important. Stock markets. It's not important. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. This is incredible. Can you see that? Can you see that? This price is touching the green box and getting down and making this every time. Created new green red box and just touch it. Just touch it. Just touch it. Okay. Why price is turning from my box? How can this be possible? How? Is that a miracle, guys? Is this a miracle? Really? No, this is all today. This is present day. Oh my god. Let me check. approximately threshold. We can change the risks. Okay, we can raise the risk, and also we can see the other opportunities. System works like this: raise the risk, see the other opportunities. Low risk, low opportunities, but guaranteed. Okay, now check here. System gives you another one. It's really working. It's really working all kind of areas, all kind of pairs. Euro, stock market, GPD, Bitcoin, anything, any market. It's not important. Gold. It's not important. It's working everywhere. Let's check it. Let's calculate it. What happened? At the beginning of the video, we are seeing just the charts. Okay, we are seeing the moments, but we don't know where will be open position. Where will open position? But now we can see it. We can see that where have to we open the positions. And now I'm calculating all of them. If you know the system, if you have the system, and if you learn to trade with this system, it's very important, because the indicators doesn't work alone. You have to know to use it. Okay. Now I'm checking all of them. I'm calculating all of them. If you had this system before, just 20 days, you could open all of this position. And you know that's mean? What does it mean? No, that is fucking approximately 118 hours. If you take all this position, okay? If you take all this position, just 20 days, you are a rich man. It's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. Oh my god. Now we will check the 15 minutes. Okay, don't scroll down. Open the second video and check the 15 minutes. I will show you 15 minutes for half. Another pairs. I will show you everything. How is working. I will show you. It's the proof time, guys. It's the proof time. Just watch the second video. Okay. Bye.